Hello everyone. Long time no see. I'm so sorry, but life is busy. So today I wanted to do a video for you guys just to kick off the new year. I am going to be showing you how to add a tatted lace edging to a piece of fabric. So I have just a little piece of fabric that I'm going to be using, and then I'll use like a different colored thread so it's easy to see. So without further ado, let's jump into it. All right, so I'm just going to cut a little piece of this fabric. I'm just going to be working with a small piece today. So we've got our little square or rectangle here. And so I'm using a couple of different crochet hooks. One is a 0.06 and the other one, the blue one, is a 0.08. And so depending on the density of your fabric, you're going to need one of those smaller crochet hooks. It's basically like a needle to poke it through the fabric and be able to pull your thread through and attach it to your fabric. And so I'm just going to be loading my shuttle. I'm tatting off the ball today so that I have plenty of thread and am able to use as much thread as I am needing for that. If you're doing a big project, like I guess you would put a tatted lace edging. Some people do them on handkerchiefs. I mean, that's not really popular anymore, but I've seen it on the edges of scarves, which is really cute, just to add a feminine touch to that. You could put it on collars as well. I've seen people starting to do that again. I'm not sure how popular that is, but there you go. And but this can come in handy if you're doing like an applique, quote unquote. So you could attach it to your fabric like that. So like I said, I'm using the smaller crochet hook, and it's very, very sharp. And so it'll go through that dense cotton fabric, and then you just pull it through with your shuttle, the little tool at the end there that is also very sharp, so be careful. And so what I did is I did four double knots, and then I did a picot, and then 4 more, attached it to the fabric, and then I'm going to do 4 more double knots, a picot, and then 4 more, and then close out that ring. And so yeah, I'll stop talking and you guys can just kind of watch what I'm doing. I'm so doing 1 big ring, and then I am going to do a chain of, so you do 3 double knots and then picot knot, so 5 times of that, and then close it out with 3 more double knots. And then I'll go to the next part of attaching that little design that I decided to do. So yeah, you guys can just watch that, and we'll go from there. All right, so both of those rings have been attached, and so you can kind of see the little design I did there. You can basically make this whatever you want, but yeah, pretty simple. It's not too bad, but this is kind of just a time lapse of doing more of that tatted lace edging, and you know, it's super fast. Wow. So anyhow, that's kind of how it'll look after you do the edging. I kind of did a different angle for you so you could see better, and that's how it looks when you're all done. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you guys have any other questions about tatting or jewelry making and the likes. And my next video, I am going to be launching a brand new and improved beginner's lessons to tatting. And so I made the first version about 5 or 6 years ago, I think. And so it is time for a makeover. So you can look forward to that in February, starting next month, and hopefully we'll see you there for that. All right, you guys have a great day.